after the successful completion of discussion on third generation IITs into computer science, electrical and mechanical engineering courses, now it is the turn to discuss about aerospace engineering. This discussion is because of the so many requests from the student side. As far as my knowledge goes, so among different IITs, only 4 IITs they are offering aerospace engineering course, and no NIT is offering aerospace engineering. So now if we look at the various IITs that offer aerospace engineering, they are IIT Mumbai, IIT Chennai, IIT Kanpur and IIT Kharagpur. These are the 4 IITs they offer aerospace engineering. And if we look at the cutoff scores, cutoff ranks in 2019 for general boys, it is 2082 rank in IIT Mumbai, and for girls it is 4550. I am discussing only about the general category here. I am not considering any reservation category, and that too this is 2019 cutoff ranks, completion of the 7th round counseling. Similarly, if we look at IIT Chennai, for boys it is 3612 and for girls it is 6859. And IIT Kanpur, if we look at the cutoff for boys general category is 1717 and for girls it is 3808. And IIT Kharagpur, if we look at cutoff for boys is 3822 and for girls it is 7615. These are the cutoff ranks for IITs which offer aerospace engineering. Other than these IITs, there are some more institutes which offer aerospace engineering. There are so many colleges they offer aerospace engineering, but now I go with only some good colleges. I go with only some good colleges. Now if you look at Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, this is one institute which offers aerospace engineering based on your JEE advanced performance. And the other institute is Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, that is situated at Shibpur, West Bengal. This will offer aerospace engineering based on your JEE mains performance. So what we can say, some institutes take your JEE mains into consideration and some other institutes take your JEE advanced performance into consideration. Other than these, there are some more organizations which have their own criteria in filling up the aerospace engineering seats. Now if you look at the other institutes, other private organizations which offer aerospace engineering course, I am mentioning only few organizations. There are so many organizations offering aerospace engineering, but I am going with very few. For example, the Manipal Institute of Technology, MIT Manipal, it has its own criteria. It conducts one special examination in choosing the students. You need to appear for MIT examination to get a seat in Manipal University. Already it is completed this academic year and they have started their admission process also. Now similar the case with the RV College of Engineering, Lovely Professional University, Amrita University at Coimbatore, it has its own examination, Amrita University. It also offers aerospace engineering, which is considerably good. Punjab Engineering College at Chandigarh, Chandigarh University in Chandigarh, and Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science at Chennai. These are all various private engineering colleges, various private universities that offer aerospace engineering. So now if you look at all these universities, you can study aerospace engineering, no doubt in it. Now if you look at the cutoff ranks in the 4 IITs for aerospace engineering course, they are in and around 2000 rank to around 6800 rank, or somewhere around 7000 rank. In such a case, my advice is, instead of going for aerospace engineering, I suggest you to go for the courses like computer science, electronics and communication engineering, etc. Why? Because I am saying you have very good opportunities, wide range of opportunities if you study computer science course, electronics and electrical engineering. For Mumbai, if you take up, the aerospace engineering cutoff rank was 2082 for boys. Suppose if your rank is 2000 or 2500, in between 2000 to 2500, certainly you get computer science engineering course in IIT Bhubaneswar. Instead of studying aerospace engineering at IIT Mumbai, my advice is go and study computer science in IIT Bhubaneswar, because wide range of opportunities, you have very good placements with good package and all. If you want to go for a better IIT other than IIT Bhubaneswar, for 2000 rank you may get electronics engineering course in IIT BHU. So it is purely your interest. It is purely your interest. Unless until you are more inclined towards aerospace engineering and you are more inclined for IIT Mumbai, that you want to study anything in IIT Mumbai only, then you go for aerospace engineering. Otherwise, my advice is you get electronics engineering course in IIT BHU, and up to 2200, up to 2300 also, there is a chance of getting a computer science course in IIT Bhubaneswar. So my dear students, personally, it is purely my personal advice. Better you go for courses like computers, electronics, etc. when compared with aerospace engineering.